Today we are trying to tell some basic tip for sleep well. Establish a routine. Establishing a regular sleep routine helps your body recognize when it's time to sleep. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same times every day. Avoid stimulants. Caffeine and nicotine are stimulants that can keep you awake. Avoid drinking coffee, tea, or other caffeinated beverages in the late afternoon and evening. Avoid smoking as well. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help you sleep better. Try to exercise at least 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. Limit naps. Although napping can be refreshing, if you are having trouble sleeping at night, it's best to limit naps to 30 minutes or less. Avoid electronic devices. The blue light emitted from phones, tablets, and computers can disrupt your sleep. Avoid using these devices right before bed. Create a relaxing environment. The environment in which you sleep is important. Make sure the temperature is comfortable and the room is dark. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to keep the room dark. Unwind. Make sure you take some time before bed to relax and unwind. Avoid activities that stimulate your mind, such as watching television or playing video games. Reading, meditating, or listening to relaxing music can help you relax. Avoid large meals. Eating a large meal close to bedtime can cause indigestion and make it hard to sleep. Try to eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. Avoid alcohol. Although drinking alcohol can make you feel sleepy, it can also disrupt your sleep later in the night. Try not to drink alcohol before bed.